Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to quickly recover shared files or shared drive on Google Drive using your Android phone. If you accidentally remove a shared folder or a file that someone shared with you suddenly disappear, don't worry, I will show you a few fast and easy ways to get it back. Okay, let's get started. First, just open the Google Drive app on your Android device and make sure you are logged in with the same Google account that originally had access to the shared files or shared drive. And then once you're inside, just tap on Share tab. This one. This page shows all files and folders that were shared with you or by you. And then if the shared files or folders still appears here, just simply tap it to reopen. It's super easy. Just tap on the folder like this. But if it's missing, it may have been removed from your drive view. Don't worry, it's usually not deleted. We can still find it. And to demonstrate, I will remove a shared folder from my drive view first, like this. And then next to recover it, just tap on the search bar at the top in Google Drive. Just go to search in Drive and then just type the part of the file name, or even better, the name of the person who shared it with you. For example, I will search using the owner's name. Like this. As you can see, the shared folder shows up again like this. And then just tap on it and you have successfully restored the access. And then if you still can't find it inside the Google Drive, just try checking your Gmail inbox. When someone shares files or a drive with you, Google usually sends a notifications email. Just open your Gmail app and then just tap on the search bar and then just type the name of the shared drive or the name of the person who shared it. For example, I will searching using the owner's name like this. Like this. And then just open the email and just tap on open drive. And like this will take you directly to the shared files or folder and instantly restore your access. And if none of these methods works, there's a chance your access was removed by the owner. In that case, you will need to contact the owner and ask them to reshare the files or add you back to the shared drive. And okay, that's it. That's how you can quickly recover and reopen shared files and shared drive on Google Drive using Android phone. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.